Hello guys, welcome to the channel called Scrabyte, and today we will discuss about the YouTube settings and especially about upload defaults and all general settings we will discuss. So yeah, I have US dollars as a general unit, as a default unit, so you can choose another one, but if for me it's the most comfortable thing. And yeah, so about channel, here we can choose our country of residence, yeah, and keywords or our channel, and it's also important for us. And yeah, it's really important because if someone will write in the search word Scrabyte, it will show us, yeah, and these keywords will show us if someone will write this. Okay, audience. Um, so I don't make videos for kids, and so I decided to do this. Automatic captions, for me, it's not that I want. Subscriber count, why not? Yeah. A lot of people hide the subscriber count, but I don't know why. I don't know for what that is doing, but okay. Um, yeah, and people can clip my content. Is enabled the default features. So about special thing in this video, so upload set defaults, it's really important, and that will save you a lot of time if you will upload the videos and if you plan to become a YouTuber. So is this thing is must have, yeah. So title, yeah, and description, if you have some let's plays and the same title, but for example just change some numbers, so yeah, it's really will save you a lot of time. Visibility, so public, private, unlisted, and text. So text is also the most important things, like someone write some keywords from the game, and you have written this word on this box, and they will found you, yeah. Advanced settings, so video language, caption, certification, and title and description language, I think is pretty easy to understand, so yeah. And also monetization, I have everything enabled, so why not? About moderations, if you have some people who you trust, yeah, you can moderate him, and he will take a permission in on your channel, and so yeah, like co-author, yeah, it's not bad, not bad. So I think is the most important things with the settings of YouTube, and yeah. Thank you for watching. You were on channel Scrabyte, and goodbye.